Yan, lamb and greens. And of course, tada! Tapos, ayan, nandito yung buffet sa gitna. So, as you can see, napakalaki nito. Kaya mapapagod ka ang umikot. Yeah. Thank you. So we need to eat fruits first. Yeah. Pancake and some sunflower seeds, yogurt. I think it's yogurt with prunes and dried mango or dried peach. And this asparagus, battered asparagus, beef, mushroom, vegetables, rolls, eggs, and this and some rice. And here is the place. Yes.
Kind of tea.
Chamomile.
Chamomile.
Dapat sana green.
Black tea maganda rin.
Oh, black.